Welcome back, everyone, to Tips for Women. And today we're going to talk about how to get a man to fall in love with you through his stomach. So, we've all heard the saying that to get a man to love you, cook him something. Well, it's absolutely true, but I'm going to explain to you why this statement is true. So, yes, cooking for a man is a very important thing for a man, uh, for many reasons. One, it makes him feel that you care enough about him to actually make him a meal. And, two, it makes him feel special. I mean, who doesn't like food and who doesn't like food cooked for them and they don't have to cook? So that is a couple of reasons, but the main reason that men love this is because subconsciously what a man looks for in a woman are qualities from his own mother. And we're not talking about physical appearance and stuff like that, but we're looking for things that our mother did that made us feel loved and comfortable as a child. We look for those same qualities in the women that we choose to have in our life. And we do it subconsciously, not really recognizing what we're doing and what we're looking for, but we are looking for somebody who gives us that down home feeling, that loved, warm, welcome. And your mom did this for you when you were growing up in different ways by just giving you a hug or talking to you or cooking you dinner or doing your laundry. It was those little things when you were a child that you didn't even recognize that she was doing that made you feel loved by your mother. So we do the same thing with the women that we look for. So, yes, women, cook your man a meal. One piece of advice I would give you is don't do it all the time. Don't do it every single day. I mean, if you're married and that's the agreement that you two have in the relationship, then fine. But the more you do it, the more the man's going to actually expect it from you because you do it all the time. And when you don't do it, he's not really going to know how to react to it because you're no longer doing it and he's expecting it from you. So I would do it every now and then to actually keep that warm feeling and that loving feeling that he has about you cooking for him. So yes, everyone, the statement of the way to get to a man's heart is through his stomach is absolutely true. So I hope this tip worked out well for everyone today. And remember, as always, stay beautiful.